I don't wanna know who we are without each other. It's just too hard. I don't wanna leave here without you. I don't wanna lose part of me. Will I recover that broken piece? Let go and unleash all the feelings. Ooh, did we ever see it coming? Will we ever let it go? We are buried in broken dreams. We are knee deep without a plea. I don't wanna know what it's like to live without you. Don't wanna know the other side of a world without you.
Wahai Rivo Prayuda,
Iya Pak.
saya nikahkan anak kandung saya, Lila Intani, dengan engkau dengan mahar seperangkat alat sholat tunai.
Saya terima menikahi anak kandung Bapak Lila Intani dengan maharnya seperangkat sholat tunai.